let's assemble this couple part into this piezoelectric housing. So this part, this is a striker head. This part actually has to go down inside this housing, and this side need to be pressed against the valve side such that it can engage the mechanism underneath this big housing. Right, so we put it down, and then there's a slot at the end of this striker. We use the middle wire, this middle wire over here, right, to engage the slot of the striker. Now the question is, okay, how do I engage the end of this spring? Why it looked like a 6, right? The way is, okay, I want to use the spring in a way that the spring can actually apply a force such that this side of the striker always align with this side. So I turn this way, right? Turn that way. Did I get loose? No. So be careful because the spring can actually come out. So I need to use the finger to kind of hold it. So it does not matter what the 6 things end lined up with, as long as you're sure that this spring actually apply a force that way, such that the striker can actually, that piece down below can always line up against the valve, right? So you can always use a finger to hold the piece and apply. So apply the screw. Okay, the way to make sure is, okay, when you turn this valve, it can turn, press and then turn, right? And if there's no clicking sound, that means it's not right. They have to redo it, right? There's no hit clicking sound for this time, so we have to redo it. Yep, it's not right. Always be careful not to let the spring into your face. So, what's wrong with it? We'll take the spoon out. Okay, let's turn again. Right, well, a little bit more turn. Let's see if it worked or not. And this time I don't even want to put a screw on. See? Now actually this clicking sound out. So I'll apply the screw now. So this clicking sound, that means it's a good thing. But the last check, it's actually to see if there's a strike or not. We could actually look at this, right? So can you see? There's a strike. So that means that you fix it.